Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you correlative conjunctions. Students, correlative conjunctions always use in pair. Okay, remember this and let's see. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that always connect two elements that are grammatically similar. In other words, they link nouns to nouns, adjectives to adjectives, and phrases to phrases. It means student correlative conjunctions are always used in pair like either or, neither nor, not only but also, so that, such as, no sooner than. They are always used in pairs and they go with the words means they connect two elements that are grammatically similar means they go with nouns to nouns, adjectives to adjectives, pronoun to pronouns, phrases to phrases means they always connect nouns to nouns and adjectives to adjectives, pronouns to pronouns, and phrases to phrases. It's most important things. Let's see the uses of some correlative means some important correlative conjunctions. Either or. It means one out of the two options. Means when we have to choose the one options, there's given both, but we have to do only one, or means any one is we have to choose. You either follow your passion or keep thinking about what others think about you. As you can see, either and or. You either follow your passion means there's given two choice. You either follow your passion or keep thinking about others think about you, what others thinks about you. There's two options. In the first one you should you follow your passion, and second you keep thinking about what others think about you. There's two option is given, yeah, two choice are given, we can say, and we have to choose. You have to choose only one. We can choose follow your passion or keep thinking about what others think about you. Next example, you either cook or clean the house. There's also given two options, two choices. You have to choose only one. You can choose to cook or to clean the house. There's given two option, but we have to choose only one. Okay, it means either or is used to, it means one out of the two options. As you can see, it joins by either and or. Neither nor, it means none of two options. None of two options. He is neither rich nor famous means he is not rich and not famous. Okay, it's, we can say it's used in negative sense. We have to not choose anything. It's neither, he is neither rich and nor famous. As I've told you, it means none of two options. Neither Sohan nor his friends play video game means no one has played video game. Neither Sohan and nor his friends, no one has played the video games. As students, as I have told you that noun will go with noun means we join words by using correlative conjunction, but they are from the same elements. Like here, rich is adjective, and here as you can see adjective. Here Sohan is a noun and friends is a noun. Here you can say cook and clean, it's a verb and it's a verb given there. Not only but also. It is used to emphasize on the elements. It is used to emphasize, we can say, on the elements. Like that man is not only intelligent but also funny. Here it's emphasizing that he's not only the intelligent but also funny. Okay, means it is used to emphasize on the elements that he has the qualities, that he is intelligent but he is also funny, means he has the both things. Not only did he fall, but he also fractured his arm. Means he not only he has fall, but he has fractured his arm. Means the both things had happened, and not only this much has happened. Not only he has fallen down, but he has fractured his arm also. Both and it focuses on the incluser. We can say to include all the things, means we use both and that to tell anyone's quality or the things that are same or related to each other. We can say, like if I want to say like Rihanna is intelligent, Rihanna is beautiful, then no need to say it in two sentences. We can say that this is the quality of Rihanna, both qualities. Then we can say Rihanna is both intelligent and beautiful, it is the quality of Rihanna. Then no need to express it into two sentences. It is both rainy and gloomy today. If suppose that we are saying it is rainy day today, it is gloomy day today, in place of that we can say it is both rainy and gloomy day. Okay. Next one is no sooner than. No sooner than. It is used to show that the second item, means action, happened just after the first one. Like no sooner did I see him than he fled, means just as I've seen him he fled. Means as I've told you, it is used to show that the second item, means second actions, happen just after the first one. Or we can say no sooner did I enter the class, the electricity went away. Means when the first action has happened, the second action has done. No sooner had I put on my clothes than it started raining heavily. Whether or. I have to go whether you like it or not. Means whether or, it's means whether you like me or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, I have to go whether you like it or not. I do not care whether you praise me or criticize. Means it doesn't matter you praise me, I don't care, or you criticize me, it doesn't matter. So this type of things will happen, then we use whether or we can say yes. Students, all these are the correlative conjunctions, main correlative conjunction. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.